Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React.js. Today we are going to learn how to add the Google Maps in the React. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that the current location of mine is Chandigarh. So how to add such a nice Google map into your React application, we are going to learn in this video. Okay, so let's get started. Which package I have installed, I'll let you know about that one. Okay, so very easy, very simple, nothing big on that. Okay, so very important is that I have just too much R&D to get this package, that is React Google Maps API. Okay, so this is a new one and this is the updated one, right? So you have to import the React from the React and the Google Map. You use JS API loader marker and the info window from the React Google Maps API. Okay, here you have to container style, whatever you want to give the height width depends upon to you. Then we have the center, that is lat and long, where you want to make a focus or where you want to show the marker. Make sure correct lat long you have to pass. Then we have a my component is loaded, that is use JS API loader. Here you need to pass the Google API key. Got it? So pass the Google API key. After this we have the React use state and the marker. Okay, so we have to set the marker on which location. Okay, so if you have the multiple markers, then you can make a objective with comma, array of objects, so make it multiple of that one. So currently I want to show only my location, so one position with title and the content I have made it with the lat and the long. Okay, after this we have whenever there is a on load, so I will use callback function and call the new window Google Maps latitude longitude bound with the center and map dot fit bound. So these are the properties of the Google Maps. Okay, so you, if you don't know about the Google Map properties or functions, make sure you have to know about that one. Okay, map dot fit bounds and set the map. It will set the map right now, and this is unmount with the help of this set map null. Okay, so this is the handle marker click. So whenever I click on the marker, it should open the info window, right? So here you can see that if it is loaded, then I'm going to show the map, right, with the help of map container style, center, zoom, on load and the unmount. Okay, and if you have the markers, then markers dot map, and here we have a marker component where you have to pass the key, position and the on click. So whenever I click on the marker, so it will give me the info window. So handle, so you can see that handle marker. So if I click or set the selected marker, okay, so what will it will do? So selected marker dot title, selected marker dot content. So how and you here you can see that it will open the info window. Okay, so this is the info window. When I click on the marker, so it should open that one. So here you can see when I click on the this one, okay, so this marker will come. So whatever it's to be, whatever you want to add over here, so you can add it, like, and this is the end of the Google Map, and then it export the component. Okay, so this is the full-fledged code for adding the Google Maps into your React application. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.